Hello. All right. So I'm supposed to show my. Oh wait, first let me say my name. My name is Justin Delgado, and I am in the UCF Bootcamp. Um, so this is my functionality to my README generator. So first, you gotta declare the variables at the top. Require generate markdown. Require the inquiry fs to create the files. You got to export the gen md, which is this. Let me see. Yep. The prompt right here. What is your title of the project? We got the description, we got the license, and we got that as a list. MIT, Apache, ISC. We have the installations contribution. Sorry. We have the email, GitHub. Then we have the function where we're grabbing the answers. We're making a file in the README. And if it's not there, it's going to make its own README file. Made the file. It's going to console log it. Now let me show you my generate markdown. Const index.js inquiry. So I just did that just to make sure I'm grabbing every single thing. I don't know if it was necessary, but it worked for me. So render license badge. We got the license badge right here. We got the link. And then I had to do something a little spontaneous right here. If license return, your license is, and then that's just the thing where it says it will tell you what your license is, and then we got to render the link, which is up here. Then we have generate markdown. This is where we put the forward ticks. I think that's what it's called, forward tick, so that just writing down the description or the title. We put the hashtag marks because that's what you use for README. And answers.github, answers.contribution, and this is how it looks in action. So I already got that set up. Title, README generator. Description. It makes the process of the README that much easier. Just a little easier. I don't know if I spelled that right. Hopefully. MIT, of course. Node.js you would need to install to work on this. I worked on this, so I will put me. Email Delgado Justin 100 at Yahoo. Sorry. That is my thing. It should look like this. I have it open already. Oh, that is not it. That is definitely not it too. Okay, so it should look something like this. So let me open that up in a preview. README gen. We got the license badge where it takes you. Description. It'll tell you. Description. Installation. Node. Test. Email. Actually, I see something a little messed up here. Contribution. There we go. Well, that should be it. So, yeah, that's my that is my README generator. and it works perfectly fine. And yes.